Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 in Berlin. It's my day off today, so we're having Japanese food, of course. Got quite a relaxing recovery day today because my body is in bits. Gonna go to the gym, go to the pool, have a swim, booked a massage for tonight, and then I'll go have probably more Asian food tonight. But nobody cares, but I literally found a drink that I haven't had since I've been back to Hong Kong. It's called CC Lemon. It's actually unreal. Day has been made. So we've just been to the gym and now we are going for a massage. Recovery.
Yeah, this one's all good, thank you.
It's Wednesday. I'm Demeter.
I'm Sandra. Cassie.
Gabby.
I'm myself.
Woo! Guys, we're having a little drink after
We
the
need
show.
it. And it's only
A
Thursday.
Thursday. It's okay. It's just we're treating ourselves. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Demeter's show went well tonight though, so how was your show? Was it good?
I survived. And that's all you can hope for.
Woo. See you tomorrow. Guys, I'm obviously running late, but another Demeter. Bye, let's go. Hello, it's Saturday. Double show.
Wow!
Hi guys, it's Sunday. I'm Rumpel today and Petra gets here tonight. For the people who don't know, Petra's like my best friend from Tring, from boarding school days. So excited that she gets to watch me do Rumpel. Yeah, matcha, let's go. Ready, show number 1. Oh God. Guys,
I'm here.
Guys,
Okay.
she's here. Like
I'm
everyone
here.
literally calm down. She's watching the show tonight. I can't really show what I look like because
I have travelled from London to be here today and I'm going to be sad.
Period.
In that audience, supporting my girl.
It's show number 2, last one of the week. Petra's watching, so let's have a good one. It's now the end of the week. The show went really well. Petra's here for like 2 more days, so yeah, very fun. Thanks for watching. See you next week.